What's happening, guys? I am Ghostly Gamer of the Traveling Gamers. Lucky is, of course, again at work. I'm literally hauling ass and crunching, and I'm really just trying to get this storyline done. I'm trying to get everything pretty much handled. This is Mr. Jaden's office, the FBI agent that we have here. Oh, Jesus. Don't be so rough, man. That's not even your stuff. But I guess, why? Why are we flipping this bitch? Why are we flipping this bitch? Go! Go! Oh, what's wrong with you? I like how they have these, like, rumbles for stuff like this. Like, if you're moving shit, you'll feel it. That would actually be pretty good for the VR, actually. But I don't know. I need to try that. That's, again, another thing. But, again, we're in Seattle? Am I putting on the RE glasses? Oh, no, I wasn't tipping it over. I was just pushing it against the wall.
Step 1. Change the office.
Well, you've done that. Okay. Oh! Water? What's up in this? Oh my shit! Oh, this has potential. This totally has potential. I will save the leaf for last, but I will. Poof. Oh my god, that water was beautiful. Kind of barren. Not really me. Let's go to that. Let's go to that one. Is that the sky? Oh my shit! Yes! Oh god, that's beautiful, but I will continue on my merry way. Alright, let's see this one. What do I got here? What am I... Oh! Oh my god! Oh! I love fall. Fall is my favorite season because it's not too hot and it's not too cold. I understand spring and everything. Spring is good for, like, rain, which I do love. That's my favorite weather. But I do love the fall because I like all the colors. So I do love this. I love this. I love the sky. But I also love the sea. Because me and Lucky and Olive and a couple of our friends like to go to the ocean, which is one of our favorite things to do. We've done a trip with that, and it was really fun. But I don't know what I want. I want to be under the sea, or do I want sea or sky? This always seems to boil down to oh, damn it! And I leaned forward, guys, and this happened. So I guess I'm doing this. This is it. Ooh. Ooh. Alright. This is what I'm doing. Alright. Environment. Alright, guys. Even though I do love this, I do prefer the sea. I do. God damn it, no! I do prefer the sea. There we go. Yes. I will do it this way. This is what I want. I will take this. Alright, so clear this out. Clear this out. Alright, so I'm gonna look at clues. Oh, well shit. Okay.
Well. Looks like there's something new.
Is there? Analyze. Why is it new? Show me why.
Harry, comment. Tire tracks on the side of the road behind the railroad line. It may be the killer's car.
Okay. Analyze. Oh, it's analyze complete. Alright, so. Alright, so geoanalyst. Or analyze. No data for. Okay. Okay. Origami figure. Alright, analyze.
No prints or specific clues. Nothing much to go on.
You can't Sherlock the shit out of that?
Just one origami store in town.
Okay, well, there's that information. Alright, I think there's an orchid. Alright, so this is a specific orchid. Well, I don't know if it's a specific orchid.
A common species.
Damn.
That doesn't help much.
Not something name brand. Well, let's do it, Cheeto. It's probably here, there, and everywhere.
The orchid is a common species. It can be found at any flower shop.
Well, just checking, bro. Just checking. Alright, so let's... Nope. Alright. The tracks. Can we analyze the tracks? The specific tire tread? The fact that we can't Sherlock the shit out of
Killer's
this.
car is probably a Chevrolet Malibu 83.
Okay. Can we do something with that? How many people on that? You're an FBI agent. Okay. So I've done everything in this one, so clear it out. Okay. File. Oh shit. I like how it's old school. Okay, so the origami killers. Up.
8 victims in the last 3 years. All boys,
3.
aged between 9 and 13.
Okay, so they're not all 10, but they're...
No
9
signs
and
of
13.
violence. The victims disappeared in public places in broad daylight. No one notices anything.
It's sad
Bodies
but
found
true.
3 to 5 days later. Drowned in rainwater.
I think it's Ethan. Because they're... Hear me out, guys. Their ages... There's tons of ages. There's 9 to 13. Jason was 10 and he
There was
died.
always a railroad line adjacent to where the bodies are found.
A railroad line.
And all the victims disappeared in the fall.
I don't know if it was fall when he died, but it seems more like Ethan than anything else. And it's bad for me. It feels bad. There's no
Killer has a large
specific-
comfort zone. He gained confidence rapidly and moved away from his base. This won't make the geoprofiling any easier.
But still, it's boys and they're young. But there's no... The race doesn't play a deciding factor in this. So... doesn't play a deciding factor
Always
in
the
this.
same ritual. An origami in the hand, an orchid on the chest. The victims have always been dead for less than 6 hours when they were found.
It also feels like...
Which means they remained alive for several days before being drowned. Over 3,500 people questioned. Over 100 suspects interrogated. Not a single lead to go on.
Analyze. It's gotta mean something.
The killer is white, aged between 30 and 45. He is intelligent, calm, and determined. An organized type. He has a car. He's probably employed, but his work allows him free time.
Okay, well, he does have a car. Oh, okay, let's see. Ethan is that age. He is white. He is employed. He is an architect. And he does have time for that. So, I'll clear it all. No! God damn it. Clear it all. Clear it all. Alright. Map. Map. Nothing to say? Shit. Alright, I've got nothing right now. Close Ari. Oh, whoa, what? Why is it brick? Are you gonna have a blackout, man? Oh, I knew using Ari was bad.
Here we go again. I better go wash my face.
Oh, are you dependent? Is he drug dependent?
I need to take some. I'm faint if I resist. It's all right. I know I can make it. I know I can make it.
Take a trip. Oh, fuck, alright. Oh! He is drug dependent. Oh my god, he's like Reeve from the Mines. The painkiller. Oh shit. What is Tripto? Honey, what's Tripto? Holy shit. And then the Miss Charlene is just unaware. What am I doing with my life right now? Got a PI, a black. Oh, look, Ethan. Ethan who blacked out and forgot his son. What am I doing with my life right now?
This is Lieutenant Blake, Mr. Marshall. Could you please tell him what happened?
Oh!
It was this
Did
afternoon.
you just see that guy?
I went to the park
He
with my
just
son
clicked.
Sean.
I
We
think there's
played
a
together
ghost
for a
coming.
while, and then he wanted to go on the
Dude,
carousel,
Fox,
so I put him
ghost
on one of the
coming.
wooden
It
horses.
sounds like you're that's on a
And
TV
when I
show.
turned back,
He helps
Sean has
subscribe.
disappeared.
Exactly what time did you arrive at the park? Try to remember exactly, Mr. Mars. Every detail can be important.
No, it's terrible.
It must have
I can't.
been about-
I can't write jingles. Oh,
4:45, I think. I'm not really sure.
What was your son wearing when he disappeared?
He was wearing a coat.
White, beige, X. X.
A beige coat.
Good thing I
And brown
focused on my
pants.
child. Black, green. I think they're black.
Black pants.
How could Sean have disappeared without you even noticing? Weren't you right by the carousel?
Can't remember.
I can't remember exactly. It all happened so fast.
You say you took your son to the park after school. But you didn't report him missing until 8:15. Why did it take you so long to contact the police?
I searched. I did
I
search.
searched the whole neighborhood for him. I thought he couldn't have gone far.
All right. That's all the questions I have for now. You're free to go, Mr. Mars. We'll continue to look for Sean overnight. We'll contact you if you have
Actually,
any more
technically,
questions.
they only do it if it's 24 hours. After 24
Do-
hours. So 4
Do you
hours?
think the origami killer...
He's a young boy.
Listen,
What do you
your
think?
son's probably just run off and he'll turn up in a couple of hours.
But what if it is the origami killer?
Well, then we have about 4 days to find him alive.
Oh god. Okay, so like I said, it could be Ethan because they're making it very hard to dispute this fact. Oh shit! Hi, wifey! But again, I'm gonna stop right here. Catch you guys later. Bye!